Hello guys, today I'm going to show Logitech K230 keyboard which I have ordered from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description for this keyboard. If you want, you can purchase this keyboard. So let's open this keyboard and look how it is. You can see this is how the keyboard looks like. It is very slim and sleek. This is how it looks like, and this is the battery compartment. You have to peel it, then the battery starts working, and nothing inside. There are just two papers, so you will get it for just only 800 rupees. So this is how the keyboard looks. It's very slim and lightweight. It's very compact in hand. So after usage and long-term review, I will make another video and what are the pros and cons of this keyboard. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you. Sorry, I have not noticed in the box. They have given this colors caps as well. So here they have given white. If you want, you can put a blue as well as pink as well, as per your wish. And this is the receiver of the keyboard. So that's it guys. So this is how the keyboard looks. So just now I have inserted the receiver in the system and it's working fine. It's good keyboard, so it's easy. This is the battery compartment. So if you want change this also, you can change it. They are providing different colors. So this is how it looks. It's very nice and it's very compact. You can hold it in one hand and you can type it with another hand as well. So hope that guys you like this video, and I will leave the link in the description. So please purchase and support it. Thank you.